folks, what you see here is a 2003 Ultra Classic Anniversary with 54,200 miles. This is a Dixie Cycle value bike, meaning it may have some miles and it might be a little older with some cosmetic imperfections, but we've fully gone through the bike mechanically. We've put a brand new back tire, brand new starter, the cam tensioner and plate have been replaced. The bike has Vance and Hines slip-ons and new rear brakes. It's got the nice factory gold wheels. We have a few imperfections on the leg guards and the paint, and a ding and a scrape on the back of the front fender. The legs are beautiful. The chrome is very nice. It has a stage 1 air cleaner, custom Harley floorboards, and the big rear pegs for your passenger. Again, you might see a chip here or there, but that's all it is. Vance and Hines slip-ons. No corrosion on the chrome. Starts right up. It runs beautiful. Folks, find this great value and many more at Dixie Cycle, Pompano Beach, Florida.